We got quite a bit of snow the other day and a lot of freezing rain and ice. And going in the driveway we're going into to this new house build for this kitchen, it is a very sketchy drive.
Alright guys, we're putting in this Rustic Hickory Kitchen, and we're about done for the day. We got to set the island tomorrow, put a hood up, and I think 2 more wall cabinets. But all the bases and everything else right now are set. We wanted to show you these custom corner drawer fronts we made. And we put these little blocks on here for the actual handle pull to be, I guess you could say it's 45 for it to be square, instead of having to have 2. And then we did a really cool, well, I guess then we did glass doors on the wall cabinets, which with the dark insides, they almost look tinted, which is really cool. Instead of doing a normal just flat side panel on the fridge, we did a small 8-inch deep utility. But other than that, that's all we can show you for today until next Wednesday when we come back to finish it up.
Day 1 of the Rustic Kitchen install went pretty good. They got most of the cabinets in. We got a few to take today, including a hood and an oven cabinet, which are vital to finishing out that one wall. And so today you'll be seeing those go in, and it is also going to be Joe's last kitchen install. He is leaving us to go to another job. So we're going to have a little maybe roast of Joe on his last kitchen install. See you on the job site. Okay, we're getting ready to head to the driveway here. Once I get close, I think I'm going to kick in full-wheel drive. I don't know exactly where they're stuck in their driveway, but their driveway is pretty long, so hopefully it's towards the end. If you like watching what we're doing here, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that like and notification button. Thank you. See you on the job site. Driveway does look like it's all ice. Kind of surprised they made up this part, really. This is the hard part. Where are they? They play a prank on me and they already made it up. They just wanted help. Oh, I don't see their truck here. Huh. They're not here.
Alright, folks. Let's try this again. This is round 5. Got a new fresh driver in the seat. Oh, I hit it faster than that. You got ESC off?
No.
Okay. Yeah, when I hit it, I had Trevor kind of getting the craps in his pants for how fast I was going. That's how fast you have to go to get up there. So that was a fail. Yeah, you're good this way. Oh, you're gonna try just take it head on?
Yep.
Yeah, I tried that. Yeah, it's the problem. You don't get off the road enough. It's just sheer ice. Well, you might get it. Come on, come on, come on. Ah!
So close.
Alright, we're trying plan B, which is to blanket the tires. We're breaking out every redneck move in the book today. cow is pretty interested. Yeah, that truck kept him from getting a good start. Whew, I need my gloves on. Take 10. Okay. Yeah.
Kind of like Joe leaving.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Joe.
I'm not staying here.
We won't be as sad as you will be then.
No. We might do a little dance.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll probably party.
What's that thing they hired before the rituals in the paper? See that?
We'll have
It
to,
won't be a party as hard as I'll be partying.
yeah, we'll have to, have a pizza party tomorrow. Or Friday.
Oh, I was thinking we have one on Tuesday.
Alright. I think probably what we'll do is I'll pull up beside the box truck and you guys can back into where my truck is.
You seem really worried about this lunch here.
Well, it's gonna be pretty hard to get the
I was talking about this.
gotta dance across 50 feet of ice.
Yeah. We wouldn't be dancing. We would be doing the election.
Epic fail.
That's the end of Joe's last installment dance.
Whoa, no!
What, workers' comp?
You see, you take a still shot of cabinet, my feet kind of twitching out.
That's it for this video. Once they get the appliances and counters in, I will come back and do a review.